covers the stock market. Tutorial session and tutorial video part 2. This is my tutorial video number 2, and which is very much essential for the beginners and very informative for the beginners. Now let's get started. Why invest in the stock market? Over the long term, stock provide greater returns and protection against inflation. History has proven that investing in stocks over the long term provides greater returns and protection against inflation than other fixed income instruments such as saving accounts, time deposits, the government securities, and bond. What are stocks? Stocks are shares of ownership in a corporation. When you buy a stock of a publicly listed company, you became a stockholder of a company. In other words, you became part owner of that company. As owner, you participate in that company growth and future profit. Conversely, you may also lose if the company suffer a loss or perform below the market expectation. So you are related and you are attached to that company which you are working with the stocks. Now, talking about the tutorial session for the beginners. The share market is the place where the trading of stocks takes place. As a beginner, before investing in the share market, you should learn about the share market. Learn the share market become easy if one follow these steps, step by step guide, and follow these steps and instruction and do that. Now, the benefits of the trading are, if you are looking for some form of passive income, going for share market investment is an excellent idea. The risk factors are always there when you invest in the share market, but you can always make effort in minimizing your losses and increasing your profit. You can find share market investment tips from individual or even from organization. You need to not to go anywhere in order to stocks and give you complete. Now, basics of the stock marketing are, before investing, it is always wise to learn the basics of the stock market. We have compiled articles and tutorial on the share market basics. The basic keywords of the markets are the bull market, bear market, market strategy, growing, bond, stock trading, target, dividends, annual reports, and deals. And all these words definitions are also I'm giving to tell you. This means the stock trading is the stock market platform which you are trading. The bull market means that the market trend is the in buying position. The bear market means the market trend is selling. Deal, which is the CFD, you are deal with a trade with a broker. Market strategy is where the market is moving on. The annual report, the market shows your annual report. Growing, how much you grow and how much you take profit. The bonds and the targets, what's your target to trade in which target, in which commodities or whatever you want to do. The dividends means the how much dividends profit is divided between you and broker and the shareholder. So these are the important definitions related to the keywords of the stock market words, which are the most common and mostly uses, because of these are the very much related to stock market keywords, and stock market well known about because of these words. Now, talking about the attitude of a trader. The attitude of a trader should be discipline, consistency, confidence, patience, and then he will get profit and success. Now, talking about the trading plan. What would be your trading plan? The trading plan, we have 8 points: the personal contacts and capabilities. Point number 2 is financial resources and structure. Point number 3, trading system. Point number 4, money and risk management. Point number 5, cash flow management. Point number 6, extreme event management, trading infrastructure, and self-monetization. Now, talking about get started in the stock market. Stock market is the education. First thing first, educate yourself. There are leads of free places to learn about trading. And now create a trading plan. Now that we have some education under our belt, we will want to create a trading plan, outlining our rules and strategy. Now choose a broker is the point number 3. Find a trading broker that enables you to trade the stock you want. The point number 4 is make a tutorial journal. Creating a trading journal in Excel or through special journal software, so you can keep track of all your trades you make. This helps you improve your overtime. Point number 5 is work on psychology. According to the Yale, 90% of traders fail. How can you be the 10%? Work on becoming a better trader with self-improvement. Now, talking about the other 5 major points, which is the good financial planning, the keep a check on emotions, having a broad portfolio, monitor your portfolio, and the change your investment mentality always. Now, another seven major important points are the core understanding, that learn technical analysis and charts, learn fundamentals analysis and screening, understand trade and risk management. Point number two is choose your time frame, in which time you should trade. Like short term is a day trading, medium term is weeks to month, long term months to year. Point number three is choose your market, which market you want to trade, which one you want to work with, like USA, Europe, or Asia, which stock you want to work with, stock, bond, option, and CFD forex. Understand the trade and risk management. Point number five is what is your profit goal, market average returns, index ETF above average, individual stocks, and high gain risk, option CFD. Now find great opportunity, fundamental stock screening, long-term find great companies, the volatility screening options for CFD, and understand trade and risk management. Now point number six is important, charts and indicators. Select your chart, select your indicator, create condition. And point number seven is rules and back testing, creating rules, back test your rules and analyze your result. What's your result, what you think, how you make your rules, which rule you should follow, and with which make rules for the trade, like in which you trade, in which commodity or currency I will work, and in which time framework I should work in that time. So talking about understanding the stock market, how to understand stock movement is very much essential and very much important by keeping in research. Make a trading plan, and having a trading plan is essential. Without it, is the result will not come. The over trading is risky and lowers the quality of your trades. Focus on a few trades to maximize profit. Simple strategies used. Do not waste your time and money on complicated strategies. Simple strategies are the best to follow. The emotional control, in order to get more profit, it is essential to remain focused and detached from your emotions. Don't risky too much. Don't take too much risk. Just 5% of your capital trade. Now, why talking about why intraday traders lose money? Because of the lack of the trading discipline. They too much panic, and they trade against the market. No capital limit, rapid loss recovery, relying solely on the tips, and poor feedback law. These are the main reasons why intraday traders lose money. Now, share market investment tips. Always try to diversify your investment. Always be disciplined and patient. Success doesn't have to be rapid. Now, pick a strategy and stick with it, and planning is the key to right investment, and follow a long-term approach. The short-term investment are occasionally risky. Never ever let your emotion dictate your investment. Never ever indulge with the emotions and take your emotion out of the strategies. Now, ways the traders can improve trading discipline. These are the risks, losses, entries, and profit. Traders should establish rules on when to cut losses, preventing them from getting out of hand. Traders should establish rules on when to enter traders. They should avoid chasing traders and entering trades prematurely. Now you have to look, every trader should know and that when to take profit order, when to entry, when to buy or sell, when to trade, when to stop loss order is essential to do. So top 5 rules of for successful trading is also important. Treat trading like a business. Use technology to your advantage. Protect your trading capital. Became a student of the markets and develop a trading methodology based on the fact related to the stock exchange market, because it is complicated too. Now, the strategy rule is that define your entry trigger, define your exit trigger, define a daily target, define a daily loss limit. The major money management points are: how much capital are you willing to risk, how much are you willing to lose, determine a risk reward ratio, think and plan for profit. The psychology is very much important factor. They keep track of your emotions and feelings throughout any trading session. Don't hesitate to trade after a loss, and don't be overconfident after a winning strike. Be attentive to the market signal. The tools which are the important, that what indicators do you use, what tool do you use for analysis, what do you use for risk management, what are the sources of information you use and why. These are the important tools you should know. Now, I'm also gonna tell you top 5 best stock market related movies, which is very important that every trader should see that movies. The Big Short 2015, Financial Crisis. It is the stock market movie. The Wolf of Wall Street 2013. It's based on true story. Rock Trader 1999, stock trading market. It's also true story. Margin Call, Boiler Room, The Pump and Dump Fiction. These 5 are the best stock market related movies. Now, also I'm gonna tell you the top 5 documentaries related to the stock market, and which is very also important to every trader should know and watch that. These are the Inside Job 2011, Financial Crisis 2008, and Chasing Madoff. It's also Scam, True Story, and China Has Still Finance and Trade documentary. The next documentary, Too Big to Fail, documentary of finance movie. Banking on Bitcoin 2017 documentary. It is also financial market documentary, and it's also very useful for every trader to see and to watch these documentary and movie to get to know more about the trades and stock market exchange. Now talking about important books related to the stock markets are The Intelligent Investor, A Beginner's Guide to Investing, The Richest Man in Babylon, Stock Market Investing for Beginner, The Smartest Investment Book You Will Ever Read, The Best Real Estate Investing Advising Ever, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, One Up on Wall Street, the book on rental property investing, and How to Make Money in Stocks. These 10 books are also very much important for every trader to read it, to know more about the stock market, what the stock market exactly is. So that's for all now. Up till now, these are the guidance, and best YouTube channel is my channel. So like and subscribe my YouTube channel for learning and earning, and for your motivation and motivation. Thank you so much.